thought that?
Um, yeah. Well, I mean, when I first met you, I thought maybe, possibly, might be.
You did?
Yeah, but then you spent Phoebe's entire birthday party talking to my press, so then I figured maybe not.
Huh. Did, any of the rest of you guys think that when you first met me?
I did. I think so.
Not me.
No, me neither. Although, back in college, Susan Salador did.
You're kidding. Did you tell her I was?
No. No, it's just because I kind of wanted to go out with her, too. So, I told her, actually, you were seeing Bernie Spellman, who also liked her. So.
Wow, this is fascinating. So, what is it about?
I don't know. 'Cause you're smart, you're funny.
Us is smart and funny? Did you ever think that about him?
Yeah, right. Okay, I don't know. You have a quality. Yes, right? Yeah.
Oh, equality, good, because I was worried you guys were going to be vague about this.
Hello? Hello? Oh, Rachel. Hello, calling from Rome.
Oh, my God.
Calling from Rome. Buongiorno, caro mio.
So he's calling from Rome. I could do that. Just gotta go to Rome.
Monica, your dad just beat it, but can you make it quick? Talking to Rome. Talking to Rome. Hey, Dad, what's up? Oh, God. Boss, it's Nana. Okay, come on. Oh, gosh.
Hey, Dad. So, how's she doing?
The doctor said it's a matter of hours. How are you, Mom? Me? I'm fine. I'm glad to meet you. What's with your hair? What? What's different? Nothing. Oh, maybe that's it. She's unbelievable. Her mother told me.
Relax. Okay, we are going to be here for a while, it looks like, and we still have boyfriends in your career to come.
The fuzzy little mitts at the bottom of her purse.
Oh. Yeah, they were gross. Oh, you know what I love? They're sweet and loaves. She was always stealing them from restaurants.
Not just restaurants, from our house.
Mrs. Scott.
She looks so small.
No.
Well, at least she's with Pop Pop and Aunt Phyllis now.
Goodbye, Nina.
Oh, man.
What is going on?
You know how the nurse said that Nana had passed? Well, she's not quite.
What?
She's not past. She's present. She's back.
What's going on?
She may have died.
She may have died?
We're looking into it.
I'll go see.
This almost never happens.
Now she's passed.
Just have to know, okay? Is it my hair?
Yes, Chandler, that's exactly
it. She's like right